All right, guys, so here is a quick recap on what I was doing today. BBIG was what I had in my crosshairs, and this is a trade that I put on both yesterday and today. Now, yesterday I did take a loss on this, and then today I came back and I had a redemption trade, not a revenge trade, but a redemption trade that actually worked out. Now, there were a couple other stocks that we were looking at today on the short side. That we talked about pre-market. I'm going to go over those quickly, but first I'm going to get into BBIG. I love these, massive run up and then started to systematically step down. Today is where I was trading this, obviously. Yesterday, what transpired here was a gap up and then price action couldn't really hold, and I thought it was going to step down into these lower levels, right? So, and that didn't happen. And so this is where I took the stop on this one. This one actually I thought was going to step down, saw these lows, and then rallied past a level where I felt comfortable holding. This trade was done. Now today, you can see that we had this gap, price action, then gap down and filled this gap from yesterday. And the idea here was when that support level snapped to the downside, I wanted to trade back into this. And the setup today was actually nicer than the setup that I saw yesterday. And there was also a little bit of divergence on the momentum. Very, very simply put, price action for the most side was just kind of consolidating to the downside. There were no massive swings here up or down, but you can see that that momentum was coming off a little bit. And so that gave me some insight into the fact that today was maybe going to be the day. And I don't realistically think that this move to the downside is over. I'd be looking to short this level as well at 604. I'd be willing to also hold and keep shorting, if not adding to the short position below 563. Now that is not an alert. I am not saying you should do this too. This is what I'm doing. And there's a very methodical process that I follow to get into these trades. But I'm just going to give you the review today on BBIG, and it was very, very simple. This broke down, had everything that I was looking for. This thing did come down. I did mention this in chat. I did post, I want to say maybe anywhere from 5 to 8 different still shots on what I saw and what I thought was going to happen. Every single thing played out to the downside. I did hit my primary target almost right through here, and then there was a bit of a flush where traders got stopped out on the short traders, I would assume. Got stopped. Price did cross that VWAP. I did get a little bit antsy about it. My stop was up here, and then from there it just started to fade. And I let this thing go just before the market closed and realized a 25% gain on BBIG. So again, this is a redemption trade, not a revenge trade. I will be talking about this later on tonight in Ask a Trader. There is a big difference between a revenge trade and a redemption trade. This was a redemption trade that worked out. Now, pre-market, I was also talking about ATER. This is something that was on fire a while ago, right through here. And then it started to fade, and then it moved up, and it's starting to fade again. Very simply, this was a level that I was looking at $12. It took that 12.10 level out, moved into the 11.25 range, and then another one that we talked about in chat that I was mentioning that I'd be looking at, but I actually didn't end up trading this, was HYZN. Some of our members did hit this. They saw it. They knew what to do. Entered, boom, profitable trade, and you can see that it took that 768 level out and then moved down almost a full point, down 28% on the day. This was a really nice trade, but you know what? I didn't want to sort of over leverage my attention span by going BBIG and HYZN. Maybe I should have, because this was a nicer trade. There was a lot more movement to the downside. But BBIG was something that I've been working on for the last little while. So I saw it yesterday, didn't work out. I saw the same setup today, it did work out. And that's just how these things go. So you got to know your edge, you got to know your strategy, you got to show up and hit the opportunities when you can. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me, Julian at JLewsTrading.com.